Alright guys, the rest of the parts came in. Got the truck done. How's it look? Looks so good I don't even want to run it and get it dirty when I decide to. Messed up a little bit on that back hole for the engine, but you know, I am legally blind, so I thought I did a pretty good job. That's a custom painted body. Overview of what I did was a new body, a brand new racing engine, a brand new Ford reverse servo, brand new throttle servo, clean it up real nice, and a new antenna tube. Now it's, when it gets nicer out, it's time to fire it up, break the engine in, and do some bashing.